Welcome back to Fragrance Remix Lab. If you are as passionate about perfumes as I am, you are in for a treat today. In this video, we'll be diving into the rich, luxurious world of Tresor by Lancome, a fragrance that has remained iconic and beloved since its release in 1990. This oriental floral masterpiece was crafted by the renowned perfumer Sofia Grojman, and it's not just a perfume, it's a story bottled in elegance. Tresor begins with an inviting blend of fruity and floral notes. Imagine the delicate sweetness of peach and pineapple, beautifully balanced with the soft floral touch of lilac. As it unfolds, you're drawn into its heart, a bouquet of rose, jasmine, and heliotrope that feels timeless and romantic. And finally, the base lingers with warmth and sensuality, thanks to amber, sandalwood, musk, and vanilla. Together, these notes create a fragrance that's as soft and comforting as it is elegant and luxurious. It's no wonder Tresor has been a favorite for decades. The scent truly embodies the idea of a treasure. Today, I'm going to show you how we can craft an impression of Tresor by Lancome using high-quality perfume oils, ethanol, and fixatives. Let's dive into the details. How to make an impression of Tresor. The first step in crafting this fragrance is choosing the right perfume oil. For this, I've measured exactly 19 grams of pure perfume oil inspired by Tresor. Let me emphasize here that the quality of your perfume oil is everything. It's not just about the scent, it's about depth, longevity, and how well it captures the essence of the original fragrance. When sourcing oils, look for trusted suppliers who specialize in perfumery-grade materials. The accuracy of your ratios is just as important. For Tresor, we are working with a concentration that highlights its luxurious, long-lasting nature while keeping it perfectly wearable. Next, we'll add perfume-grade ethanol, which is the key to blending the perfume oil into a sprayable fragrance. Ethanol not only acts as a solvent but also ensures the fragrance projects beautifully. Now, here's an interesting fact about the ethanol we use in perfumery. It often contains glyceride, a synthetic musk that enhances the overall scent profile. This musk gives the fragrance a smooth, rounded depth, helping it last longer on the skin. Make sure to use ethanol specifically designed for perfumes, as it's both skin-safe and ideal for blending. To further enhance the perfume's longevity, I've added a fixative. Fixatives are a game-changer. They slow down the evaporation of the fragrance's lighter top notes and ensure the base notes stay prominent for hours. Common options include benzoin, ambergris tincture, or even orris root. For our impression of Tresor, I've selected a fixative that complements the warmth of amber and sandalwood, anchoring the fragrance beautifully. Now, after carefully blending the ingredients, I'm pouring the finished perfume into the stunning bottle. The bottle itself adds to the allure. It's not just a container, it's a reflection of the artistry behind the fragrance. And there you have it, our impression of Tresor by Lancome is now ready to use. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this journey of crafting a luxurious fragrance. Tresor is truly one of those timeless scents that never go out of style, and I am so excited to share this process with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fragrance Remix Lab for more exciting tutorials and insights into the art of perfumery. Stay tuned, there's so much more to come. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.